If you're familiar with Korean food, you've probably heard of jjigae, the most famous of which are kimchi jjigae and doenjang jjigae and maybe even budae-jjigae. But for today's dinner, we're making jjageuri, which is a more regional, lesser-known version of jjigae that's a bit chunkier and thicker, but also packed with flavor, and it's the best dish to have on a rainy day over a bowl of rice. It's got plenty of meat and veggies, so as long as you have your rice, you don't really need anything else. It's also a one-pot dish, which makes cleaning up an absolute breeze, and the ingredients are also really easy to find, assuming you have the staple Korean condiments, that is. So try it out for your next weeknight dinner and let me know what you think. Cheers!